We're going to show you how to change the crosshair on your AOC monitor. If you've been wondering how to customize it, stick around as we guide you through the process. Let's jump right in. Changing your crosshair on an AOC monitor is relatively straightforward, but there are a few things to keep in mind. First, locate the button on your monitor that opens a menu. Depending on your model, this button might be on the front, side, or underneath the monitor. Press it to access the on-screen menu. Once the menu is open, use the directional buttons to navigate through the options. Look for a section called OSD Setup. This is where most crosshair-related settings are located. If your monitor supports crosshair customization, you should see an option to enable or change the crosshair here. However, here's the catch. Not all AOC monitors have this feature. Some models only offer limited OSD settings, and crosshair customization might not be included. If you don't see the option in your OSD setup, unfortunately, it means your monitor doesn't support changing or updating the crosshair. If your monitor does support it, you'll be able to select a new crosshair style or adjust its settings easily. If not, you'll need to stick with the default options provided by your monitor.